Ever wonder what it really takes to be the best? Not just good, not just successful, but the absolute pinnacle? In the world of Nigerian banking, where giants roam and competition is fierce, one name keeps popping up: Patriot Bank. Is it hype, or is there genuine substance behind the buzz? Is Patriot Bank actually the best private bank in Nigeria? Let's be honest, the Nigerian banking landscape is a complex beast. We're talking about a nation with a booming economy, a rapidly growing middle class, and a hunger for sophisticated financial services. But we're also talking about a market that's historically been prone to volatility, regulatory shifts, and the occasional economic curveball. In this environment, stability, innovation, and unwavering client trust are non-negotiable. So, why Patriot Bank? What's the story behind the name, and what makes it stand out from the crowd? To understand that, we need to delve a little deeper. Patriot Bank hasn't always been the titan it is today. Like many successful institutions, it started with a vision. A vision to redefine private banking in Nigeria, to offer a level of personalized service and financial expertise that was previously unheard of. Now, let's break down the key areas that contribute to a bank's reputation as the best. We're talking about factors like financial stability, product offerings, customer service, technological innovation, and its contribution to the wider community. First, financial stability. In a market like Nigeria, this is paramount. Patriot Bank has consistently demonstrated a strong balance sheet, robust capital adequacy ratios, and a prudent approach to risk management. This isn't just about numbers, it's about peace of mind for their clients. It's about knowing that your assets are in safe hands, even when the economic winds shift. Next, let's talk about product offerings. A top-tier private bank needs to cater to the diverse needs of high-net-worth individuals and corporate clients. This means offering a comprehensive suite of services, from wealth management and investment advisory to bespoke lending solutions and international banking services. Patriot Bank excels in this area. They don't just offer standard products, they tailor solutions to the specific needs of each client. Whether it's structuring complex investment portfolios, facilitating cross-border transactions, or providing access to exclusive investment opportunities, they have the expertise and the resources to deliver. But what truly sets a bank apart is its customer service. In the world of private banking, personalized attention is everything. Clients expect a level of service that goes beyond mere transactions. They want a trusted advisor, a partner who understands their financial goals and is committed to helping them achieve those goals. Patriot Bank has built a reputation for its exceptional client relationship management. They assign dedicated relationship managers to each client, ensuring that they receive personalized attention and proactive advice. They understand that building trust is a long-term process, and they invest heavily in developing strong client relationships. Now, let's talk about technology. In today's digital age, innovation is essential. A leading bank needs to embrace technology to enhance its services, improve efficiency, and provide a seamless customer experience. Patriot Bank has invested heavily in its digital infrastructure. They offer a range of online and mobile banking solutions that are secure, user-friendly, and packed with features. They're also exploring emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and blockchain to further enhance their services. Beyond the core banking services, a truly great bank also contributes to the wider community. Patriot Bank has a strong commitment to corporate social responsibility. They support a range of initiatives in areas like education, healthcare, and entrepreneurship. They understand that their success is intertwined with the success of the communities they serve. But let's address the elephant in the room: competition. Nigeria's banking sector is incredibly competitive. We have established giants, innovative fintech startups, and international players all vying for market share. So, what makes Patriot Bank stand out? One key factor is their focus on specialization. They've carved out a niche in the private banking space, focusing on high-net-worth individuals and corporate clients. This allows them to provide a level of expertise and personalized service that generalist banks simply can't match. Another factor is their agility. They're not afraid to adapt to changing market conditions and embrace new technologies. This agility allows them to stay ahead of the curve and provide their clients with the latest and most innovative solutions. Also, consider transparency. In a market where trust is paramount, Patriot Bank has built a reputation for its transparency and integrity. They're committed to providing their clients with clear and accurate information, and they operate with the highest ethical standards. Now, let's address some potential criticisms. Some might argue that Patriot Bank is too focused on high-net-worth individuals and corporate clients, neglecting the needs of the broader population. Others might point to their relatively smaller branch network compared to some of the larger commercial banks. These are valid points. However, it's important to remember that Patriot Bank has deliberately chosen to focus on a specific segment of the market. They've built their business model around providing specialized services to this segment, and they've been very successful in doing so. As for the branch network, they've invested heavily in digital channels, allowing their clients to access their services from anywhere in the world. They also maintain a network of strategically located branches to serve their core client base. Ultimately, whether Patriot Bank is the best is a subjective question. It depends on your individual needs and priorities. However, based on their financial performance, product offerings, customer service, technological innovation, and commitment to the community, it's clear that they're a leading player in the Nigerian private banking sector. They've built a strong reputation for excellence, and they continue to innovate and adapt to meet the evolving needs of their clients. They've demonstrated a commitment to providing personalized service, tailored solutions, and a level of expertise that sets them apart from the competition. But the question remains, are they the best? It depends on your definition. If you're looking for a bank that provides personalized, high-touch service, tailored solutions, and a strong focus on wealth management, then Patriot Bank is certainly a strong contender. If you prioritize a vast nationwide network of branches and a broader range of retail banking products, then other banks might be a better fit. It's also worth noting that the Nigerian banking landscape is constantly evolving. New players are emerging, and established players are innovating. The competition is fierce, and the bar for excellence is constantly being raised. However, the question of whether they're the best is ultimately a matter of personal preference. It depends on your individual needs and priorities. But one thing is certain, Patriot Bank is a force to be reckoned with, and they're playing a significant role in shaping the future of private banking in Nigeria. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.